A picturesque village awakens, its crooked chimneys and flower-filled windowsills painting a scene of idyllic charm. The irresistible aroma of baking bread wafts through the air, beckoning villagers towards Benny's bakery. In the heart of morning, Benny, a jolly man with rosy cheeks, stands amidst a cloud of flour, ready to fill the town with joy. With a twinkle in his eye, Benny declares, "Whisk and knead, bake and smile, fill the town with joy a while." In the heart of Benny's bakery, Benny kneads the dough with big, gentle hands, a soft hum filling the air. With a loving smile, Benny shapes the dough into perfect little buns. The oven doors swing open, releasing a cloud of warm, sweet-smelling steam that fills the bakery. Steam rises, a gentle giant, dancing past rooftops and whispering through sleepy windows. The village awakens, faces lighting up with smiles. The village street buzzes with anticipation as villagers gather outside Benny's bakery, their faces eager for the day's fresh bread. Laughter fills the air as children devour the bread, their joy echoing through the crowd. With each bite, the grown-ups find solace, their worries melting away in the simple pleasure of Benny's bread. Benny, with a heart as warm as his ovens, shares his freshly baked bread with everyone. He gives warm rolls to the children at school. He saves a cinnamon swirl for the postman every Friday. He leaves crusty loaves by the old laddie's door when it snows. Grumpy Mr. Henderson enters Benny's bakery, his face a mask of displeasure. Benny offers a bun. Mr. Henderson reluctantly accepts. He takes a bite, and a flicker of contentment briefly softens his features. This bun is quite good." A terrible storm descends upon the village, the sky turning a canvas of ominous gray. The wind howls a mournful dirge, piercing the hearts of those seeking shelter. People huddle inside their homes, seeking refuge from the storm's relentless fury. The air is thick with a palpable sense of cold and gloom, a harbinger of despair. Amidst the storm's fury, Benny's bakery glows with warmth, a haven of light and comforting aromas. The gentle dance of lantern light illuminates the walls, revealing rows of freshly baked buns. Baskets overflow with golden buns, their irresistible aroma promising warmth and comfort. Fresh bread inside. Come in, warm up. Villagers, soaked and shivering, seek refuge inside Benny's bakery. Benny offers solace in the form of warm, soft buns. The bakery is filled with the comforting aroma of fresh bread and the joyful sounds of villagers. The warmth of Benny's bakery offers a refuge from the storm, as laughter and chatter fill the air. Inside Benny's, the villagers find solace and camaraderie, momentarily forgetting the tempest outside. The storm breaks, and the sun's gentle rays kiss the village, painting a picture of hope and renewal. The villagers emerge from Benny's bakery, their faces radiant with joy as they breathe in the fresh, clean air. The village street buzzes with life as villagers exchange smiles, their voices weaving a tapestry of warmth and community. Benny doesn't just bake bread, bakes happiness. Long before dawn, Benny's bakery awakens with the soft hum of a baker's tune. With each roll of dough, Benny's smile grows, a silent promise of the day's sweet beginnings. The oven glows, casting a warm light across Benny's bakery. Rows of bread rise, their comforting aroma filling the air. A palpable sense of kindness permeates the bakery. The village awakens to the comforting aroma of Benny's baking, filling the air with warmth and promise.